What if I told you the biggest money-making secret on Pocket Option right now isn't a strategy, isn't a pattern, and isn't a signal group? It's an AI. An AI that can analyze markets faster than any human, predict momentum shifts before they appear, and even adapt to your trading style in real time. Sounds unbelievable, right? Because the truth is, most traders have no idea what AI is actually doing behind the scenes. And here's the shocking part. The same AI tools that are helping some traders grow small accounts are also silently destroying others without them ever realizing what's happening. So today, let's break down the real truth about trading with AI on Pocket Option. No hype, no BS, just facts that could change the way you trade forever. AI doesn't trade based on emotions. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't reverse trade. It doesn't panic on a losing streak. It simply reads the market like a machine. Pocket Option AI tools and third-party AI systems connected to market data can recognize micro-trend reversals, candle pressure shifts, momentum pullbacks, hidden volatility spikes, and probability zones humans can't see. This gives AI a superpower. It sees patterns before they become obvious. Imagine being able to detect reversal pressure 3 to 4 candles before a normal trader notices, or catching small momentum squeezes that humans completely miss. That's what AI is doing every single second. AI is not a magic money printer, because what most traders don't understand is this. AI is only as good as the data it receives. If the market is consolidating, if volatility is low, if news spikes suddenly, if liquidity dries up, AI can miscalculate, and your account pays the price. Most traders lose not because the AI is bad, but because they use it at the wrong time or with the wrong risk management. AI gives you probability, not certainty. And anyone who tells you AI has a 100% win rate, they're lying or selling something. Here's the real formula. AI is the brain, but you are the filter. AI can tell you when a reversal is likely. You decide whether the market conditions actually allow it. AI can show you trend strength. You decide whether to enter or wait. AI provides speed. You provide judgment. This combination is what separates the ones who grow from the ones who blow. The shocking truth is this. AI doesn't guarantee profits, but it does guarantee an advantage. The traders who learn to use AI properly are the ones you'll see posting consistent gains. The ones who depend on AI blindly are the ones disappearing after a few weeks. So the real question is, will you be the trader who lets AI replace your thinking, or the trader who uses AI to enhance it? Because on Pocket Option, the future belongs to the traders who learn how to trade with AI, not against it.